tiny house is art, but what if you get one with a low ceiling? Honestly, it's a real challenge. The room often feels stuffy, cramped, and far from aesthetic. In the end, we think, do I need a major reconstruction costing tens of millions to raise the roof? The answer, no need. In this IkiGriya video, we'll reveal low-budget tricks, or cheap and cheerful tricks, using interior design knowledge to transform your low-ceilinged house into a spacious, airy, and, of course, aesthetically pleasing space. Without breaking the bank. Let's dissect each one. Many people are tempted to buy thick, plush sofas without realizing how much they take up valuable vertical space. Imagine sitting on a low Japanese sofa. The distance between your head and the ceiling automatically increases. Psychologically and visually, this low-cost renovation trick immediately creates the illusion of a much higher and more spacious room. Welcome to IkiGriya. Here, we're not just about decorating, but about creating spaces that tell stories and inspire serenity. I believe that every corner of our home is a reflection of our life's journey. Through the small details, from our color choices to the textures we touch, we are building a legacy of comfort. Today, let's rediscover the beauty within our homes. There used to be a strong belief that low ceilings in a house should always be painted pure white. However, try this low-budget trick: paint the walls and ceiling the same light color, such as off-white or beige. Without a contrasting color line, our eyes will be fooled into not being able to tell where the walls end and the ceiling begins. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the IkiGriya channel. May all IkiGriya friends soon have their dream home. Never cut curtains directly above your small window frame where you want the room to feel even smaller. Hang a curtain rod as close to the highest ceiling as possible and let the fabric cascade beautifully down to the floor. This inexpensive trick creates long, vertical lines that trick the eye, instantly making the walls of your small home appear taller. remember the old-fashioned principle that clothes with vertical stripes can make a person appear taller? This architectural concept also applies to home interiors. Using your remaining budget, you can install thin wood wall panels or subtle vertical striped wallpaper on one main wall to draw the eye upward. Imagine walking into a small room and seeing a large crystal chandelier hanging from the center. The atmosphere will surely feel intimidating and cramped. A smart solution is to use recessed downlights that are flush with the ceiling. This trick keeps the viewing area clear, provides even lighting, and creates a very minimalist aesthetic. Instead of shining all your light downward, let's reverse the logic by using an uplighting technique. Place a simple floor lamp or inexpensive LED strip light behind furniture, directing the light upward toward the ceiling. The glow of the light bouncing off the ceiling will create the illusion of depth, making the ceiling feel like it's floating high at night. Mirrors are a small home's best friend, but their placement is often misunderstood. Instead of installing a horizontal mirror, opt for a tall, slim, vertical mirror and lean it against the wall. This inexpensive modification not only reflects sunlight to brighten the room, but also visually duplicates the room's height instantly. A common psychological mistake in homes with low ceilings is hanging photo frames or wall decorations too high, close to the ceiling. Try lowering them slightly below eye level. This free trick leaves more empty space above the frames, indirectly giving the impression of a higher ceiling. When our eyes see too much color contrast in a small room, the brain interprets the space as crowded and cluttered. Try implementing a similar monochromatic color palette for the main furniture and wall color. This smooth color transition without extreme visual barriers blurs the room's boundaries, creating a flowing, expansive effect. Have you ever noticed why a small room feels so cramped? It's usually because the furniture is massive and attached directly to the floor. The solution is to choose a sofa or table with slender legs. When the floor beneath the furniture remains exposed and visible, the visual flow of the room is smoother and creates a lighter feel. No matter how beautiful an interior design is, it will be ruined if small items are scattered everywhere, especially in a home with low ceilings. Take advantage of budget-friendly, multifunctional storage options, such as woven boxes under the bed or a coffee table with a secret drawer. Keeping surfaces clear of clutter instantly restores the sense of spaciousness. Many people think that a small house requires a small rug to fit the space. However, a small rug actually makes the floor appear cluttered and narrow. Purchase a large rug that reaches all the way under the legs of the main sofa. This large rug acts as a visual anchor, unifying and expanding the floor. The texture and weight of fabric greatly influence the perception of space in a small room. Avoid thick, heavy curtains like velvet, as they create a visual weight that pushes the room downward. Choose sheer fabrics in pure white. These fabrics allow natural light to penetrate gently, creating a floating, aesthetically pleasing feel. If arranging furniture parallel to the walls makes your home feel cramped, try experimenting with diagonal angles. Tilting your sofa or bed about 15 degrees will draw the eye down the diagonal lines of the room. Diagonal lines are the furthest distances in a room, making this free trick effective in manipulating the space. Now that you know how to completely fake a high ceiling, check out our other videos on the channel where we dive into smart furniture, space-saving layouts, and low-budget room transformations that will make your small house feel like a luxury estate. Placing a large, closed wardrobe in a room with short doors will make the ceiling feel even more slumped down. Instead, install thin, open shelves on the upper walls and display minimal decorations. This low-budget trick successfully draws the eye upward while maximizing vertical storage. Thank you for spending time with me today. Remember that creating your dream home is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy every little change you make. If you enjoyed this aesthetic journey, let's stay connected. Subscribe to become part of the IkiGriya community, and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video, where we'll once again celebrate the beauty behind every door.